Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to install the latest version of 2402 Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop, which is in the early access release phase now. So I have downloaded it and just for testing purpose we are going to configure two delivery controller and two storefront. So already I mapped that ISO file, so let me launch it and then I install it. So here you can see, right, so early access release 2. So we have two versions, so I'm going to install the latest one, 2402 LTSR EAR version. So just launch the ISO file. In the same server I'm going to install storefront server, delivery controller, director, then SQL server. Since it's a testing, so I'm going to install all together in the same server only. So in other server also I am launching to save the time, installation time. So with this setup we are going to use Nutanix as a hypervisor to create MCS based machine catalog. So that also I can show you. So this is our Nutanix cluster. I can show you how to add the Nutanix hosting connection into the Citrix site, and then how we can create a machine catalog by using MCS with the hypervisor Nutanix. Okay, so already I prepared that master image as well. So once we configured the site, and then I will show you how to create a machine catalog in MCS based in Nutanix cluster. So I'm going to uncheck this one. So this is secondary server, so I'm not going to use a license server here. Just click next. So I'm not going to install the SQL service here. In the primary server only I will install that SQL role. So in the secondary server only I'm installing the delivery controller, web studio, director, and then studio. So click install. Go to primary server. So accept the secure private access. I'm going to install all the roles here. So SQL role also I'm going to install on the server itself. So click next. Okay, let's finish the installation. Post that will configure the site, and then we'll configure storefront as well. Installation has been completed in the both the server. Click next. So just select none of the above. Click finish. We are going to set up the new site. Just click the first option. So mention the site name. Citrix GSR. So I have SQL server on same server, so that is a local host. So I don't have any license, so I'm going with 30 days free trial license. So click finish. So now site has been configured in the primary server. So just go to secondary server. So just connect this delivery controller to an existing site. Just click OK. So meanwhile, you just try to access the studio through browser once. Will validate. So click web studio and then normal studio as well. Just copy this URL and put it in the Google Chrome browser. So we have successfully installed and configured 2402 LTSR version of Citrix site, which is early access release version. So we should not deploy this version into production. It's not officially released for the production environment. This is for testing. So for now we have configured one delivery controller. The secondary delivery controller also configured now. So in next video I will show you the installation and the configuration for the storefront server. So post that we'll create the machine in Nutanix. Just go to here. So this is the normal studio console. Just go to controller tab. We'll see both the controllers are available here. So right now you can see both the controller are available here. So this is the secondary controller, this is our primary controller. So we'll see in next video. Thank you. Also I will show you the version here. You can see 2402.